Hi, Madam. Good day. I'm Rosalina Di Usmanuddin. I'm 43 years old, married. My husband name is Dr. Abraham Udin, and we have two children, daughter 15 years old and son 13 years old. I live in Riatuba, Batarasa, Palawan, Philippines. My special hobbies is cleaning, cooking, and ironing the clothes, and also and gardening. My family background: my father both deceased, both died, and I have a experience as a ex abroad for years in Saudi Arabia. Uh, my daily routine, my duties and responsibilities is how to take care of elderly, and sometimes I take care of three children. Yes, and I cook. I'm I know how to cook Arabic food like kapsa, biryani, chicken macaroni lasagna, puccini. I know also how to bake the bread. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard that Hong Kong is a great place to work, and also uh, reach higher reach higher salary given being given of the employer, and I will and and good for my family future. Yes.
So, how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, I work in Hong Kong as long as I can and as long as Madam want to stay, and I'm willing to renew my contract if ever Madam want to.
So, can you cook Chinese food?
Uh, I'm willing to learn cook Chinese food, and
Not yet.
maybe not yet. And I have one no only steam. Yes,
Okay,
but
thank you.
thank you. The